Pay attention out there. Do it yourself estate planning. Don't do it. I deal with many scenarios where people come in with their do it yourself wills. Um, they can work if you do them correctly, you include the correct provisions, and it fits your specific circumstances. The problem is you don't know what you don't know. That's the key to most of these issues is that's why it's important to come talk to a professional. We can sit down and we can help guide you. We can help you figure out what questions you need to be asking, help you determine what issues you need to be dealing with, and what sorts of potential problems, roadblocks that you're going to potentially run into. These aren't things that are inherent when you're doing it yourself. I've never used them, but I doubt these online portals will guide you sufficiently. Um, Again, they're going to ask you questions, but if you don't know the answers, you may not be given the right structure, dealing with the right issues. And there are far more documents that exist to help with specific scenarios that you're not going to be able to figure out on your own. It's the reality of it. It's the reality of a lot of the legal issues in life. It's best spend a little money, talk to a professional because this is not something you want to screw up. When you do, not only does it leave your estate and your legacy potentially in shambles, but the people who come in with the OMG look on their face because now they're having to deal with it, or they just got done dealing with it and they're in my office to handle their own estate. Don't do it. Um, So if you find yourself Googling for do it yourself estate plan site, stop, give me a call. Happy to chat with you, figure out what you need, and we'll get you in the right place. Thanks. Have a great day.